say, oh, before we are after all, we say, I know. Let me say, if you come say, everybody here, I'm going to hire a friend. Okay, I say, Mama, where are you from? I am from what? Now, only you can't send somebody to bring water. You know, this kind of way. You know, she.
I asked him right now, I said the catalyst is not good, that's why he took his home.
Look at you.
Why ask him, so what is he doing now? Ask him stand. Where is your catalyst?
We bought our own thing. You're telling us it's so good. Why don't you give it to us? You should bring the catalyst.